Hello everyone. Mangoes, often called the king of fruits, have a rich history, a delightful taste, and a host of health benefits. Whether you enjoy them fresh, blended into a smoothie, or as part of a dessert, there's no denying the universal appeal of this juicy, tropical fruit. But what makes mangoes so special, and why are they loved worldwide? Let's dive into everything you need to know about mangoes, from their history to their many uses. Historically, mangoes have been cultivated for over 4,000 years, originating in the region that includes modern-day India, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. The fruit holds deep cultural significance in many parts of Asia and has been mentioned in ancient Indian scriptures as a symbol of love and prosperity. Mangoes spread from Asia to other parts of the world through trade routes. Portuguese explorers introduced them to Africa and Brazil in the 16th century, and today, they are grown in tropical and subtropical climates across the globe. Their popularity quickly spread, and now, mangoes are beloved worldwide for their sweet flavor and versatility. There are hundreds of mango varieties, each with its own unique flavor, color, and texture. Some of the most popular varieties include Alfonso, Tommy Atkins, Hayden, Kent. Alfonso known for its sweetness and buttery texture. Tommy Atkins widely available, with a firm texture and mild flavor. Hayden rich in flavor with a juicy and fibrous texture. Kent sweet, juicy, and less fibrous, making it perfect for smoothies. Different varieties of mangoes can vary widely in flavor, from ultra-sweet to slightly tart, and in texture, ranging from creamy and smooth to fibrous. The diverse flavors and textures make mangoes suitable for a wide array of culinary uses. Mangoes are not just delicious but also packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, fibers and antioxidants. Vitamin C boosts the immune system. Vitamin A supports eye health. Folate are essential for cell growth and development. Fiber aids in digestion. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body. With their high vitamin and mineral content, mangoes offer numerous health benefits. They are a great way to boost your daily intake of essential nutrients while enjoying a refreshing treat. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and keep your body healthy. Eating mangoes regularly can help you fight off common illnesses, such as colds and flu. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, and mangoes are loaded with this vitamin. Including mangoes in your diet can help protect against night blindness and other vision-related issues. Mangoes contain both fiber and digestive enzymes, which help break down food and promote healthy digestion. They can be particularly helpful if you struggle with constipation or indigestion. Skincare benefits of mangoes. The vitamins and antioxidants in mangoes also benefit your skin. Eating mangoes can help promote a healthy, glowing complexion, and mango extracts are often used in skincare products to nourish and hydrate the skin. How to select and store mangoes. When selecting a ripe mango, use your senses. Look for a fruit that gives slightly when squeezed and has a sweet aroma near the stem. The color can vary depending on the variety, so don't rely solely on color to judge ripeness. Mangoes should be kept at room temperature until they ripen. Once ripe, you can store them in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life. Keeping them in the fridge helps maintain their freshness for an extra few days. Step-by-step guide to cutting a mango. Cutting a mango can be tricky, but with a little practice, it becomes easy. Stand the mango upright. Place the mango stem side down. Slice off the sides. Cut along the sides of the pit, resulting in 2 large cheeks. Score the flesh. Without cutting through the skin, score the mango flesh into cubes. Turn and scoop. Turn the skin inside out and scoop out the mango cubes with a spoon. Mangoes can be enjoyed in many ways: fresh, blended, grilled, or even pickled. They're a fantastic addition to both sweet and savory dishes, making them incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Popular mango dishes from around the world. Mangoes are used in a variety of dishes across the globe. Mango sticky rice, a popular dessert in Thailand. Amras, a sweet mango puree enjoyed in India. Mango salsa, a refreshing condiment for tacos or grilled fish. Mangoes in desserts, smoothies, and salads. Whether you're making a creamy mango lassi, a vibrant salad, or a decadent dessert, mangoes add a burst of flavor and color. Their natural sweetness makes them a favorite for blending into smoothies or layering in parfaits. Mango recipes you can try at home. First is mango salsa. It's simple, refreshing recipe that pairs well with grilled meats or chips. Mangoes, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, salt are ingredients to make this recipe. Basic instructions for this recipe is dice the mango and mix it with finely chopped red onion, fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Second is mango smoothie bowl. It's perfect way to start your day. Frozen mango, banana, yogurt, honey are ingredients to make this recipe. Basic instructions for this recipe is blend frozen mango, banana, and yogurt until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with fresh fruit, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Mangoes have been a symbol of love and joy in various cultures. They appear in literature, poetry, and even religious texts, symbolizing prosperity and abundance. In India, mangoes play a role in festivals and rituals. Mango leaves are often used for decoration during celebrations, symbolizing good fortune and happiness. In Ayurveda, mangoes are considered beneficial for balancing the body's energies. They are used to improve digestion, boost energy, and treat various ailments. Other cultures also value mangoes for their medicinal properties, using the leaves, bark, and fruit to treat conditions like diabetes, inflammation, and digestive issues. Growing your own mango tree. Mango trees thrive in warm, tropical climates. They need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to grow and produce fruit. If you're considering growing your own mango tree, start with a young plant rather than from seed to ensure better results. Be patient. Mango trees can take several years before they begin to bear fruit. Potential side effects of eating mangoes. While mangoes are generally safe to eat, some people may experience allergic reactions, especially if they are sensitive to urushiol, a compound also found in poison ivy. Eating too many mangoes can lead to digestive issues, as they are high in fiber. Moderation is key to enjoying their benefits without the drawbacks. Interesting facts about mangoes. Mangoes are related to cashews. Mangoes belong to the same plant family as cashews and pistachios. National fruit of India. Mangoes are the national fruit of India and are deeply embedded in its culture. Over 500 varieties. There are over 500 varieties of mangoes grown worldwide, each with its unique taste and texture. Let's answer some common questions. What is the best way to ripen a mango? Place mangoes in a paper bag at room temperature. This will speed up the ripening process. Can you eat mango skin? Yes, mango skin is edible, but it has a tough texture and a slightly bitter taste. Some people may also be sensitive to the compounds in the skin. How many calories are in a mango? A medium-sized mango contains approximately 150 calories, making it a nutritious and satisfying snack. Are mangoes safe for pets? Mangoes can be fed to pets in small amounts, but make sure to remove the pit and skin, as they can be harmful. What are some creative ways to use mangoes? Try adding mango slices to salads, making a spicy mango chutney, or even grilling mangoes for a unique twist on a classic fruit. Mangoes are much more than just a sweet tropical fruit. They're a symbol of culture, history, and health. From their ancient origins in South Asia to their place in kitchens around the world today, mangoes have captured the hearts of many. Whether you're indulging in a fresh slice, sipping on a smoothie, or enjoying mango salsa, this fruit offers endless delights and health benefits. Thank you for watching.